So do you have a business problem, the one that's really frustrating and challenging and confusing, and you're really pulling your hair out because you know it's such a big deal and you just can't make progress on it? In this course, I'll show you 5-step problem-solving process that really is straightforward and simple. This process really works, and it's the same process that is used by major consulting firms around the world. And I can personally use this project in enterprise companies that I've used that has solved most challenging problems that I've run against. And when I'm disciplined enough, rigorous about following these 5 steps, I've always gotten positive, concise results. So let's get started with this particular course and the 5 essential steps. Hi, my name is Syed and I'll be the instructor for this course. I've been in the training industry for a little over 20 years and I currently manage enterprise projects as an enterprise architect and consultant with major enterprise corporations around the world. So these 5 steps, the real actionable steps that I'm going to teach you in this course, are going to extremely benefit you in your own projects and work. If you have existing business problems and you just don't know where to start, how to go about defining a problem, pinning the problem, and so forth. So I'm going to take you step by step in these 5 simple steps. So once you gain a solid understanding and start to apply these steps, you will become comfortable and you'll also see the output of the results of these 5 actionable steps. In addition to learning the problem-solving technique, I'm also going to provide the introduction to project management. So essentially, I'm going to demonstrate and we're going to talk about the project engagement model so that you have a holistic understanding of a project manager's perspective. In other words, going from business development to planning, how to gather requirements, what is the role of the project manager, for example, project phases, the project life cycle, and all of these problems that are associated that you may encounter as a project manager or a manager working on a particular project, that you may encounter several business problems. And of course, we understand that there are several problems along the way of any project that you are actually working on. So we're going to be talking about the project engagement model. This will give you a solid understanding of where these problems occur or may occur and how do you approach them using the tools that we'll be learning throughout this course. So from planning, requirements gathering, designing the project, development, training, the user acceptance testing, or known as the UAT, the change control, and then finally getting live with your project. So all of these issues that are associated throughout this process, I'm going to highlight in a holistic manner to give you a solid understanding of how to solve and approach these complex issues that may occur within the project. I value your feedback, so feel free to reach out and post questions in the discussion area. We regularly update all of our courses, and we're super excited to bring you this power course to give you a solid, in-depth understanding of how to solve complex business problems in a structured and logical manner. So what are you waiting for? You need to gain solid understanding of how to solve problems within your project and also understand the key role of a project manager, the project engagement model, and some basic concepts of the PM along with tools and resources. Click on the Enroll button now and I will see you in class.